Don't wake me up, okay, you guys? Give me 20 more minutes.
I'm off on the adventure.
Baby, won't you come my way? Got something I want to say. What's happening, amigos and amigas? Right now, we just arrived at church. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
They're not excited. They're like, that's a fake excited.
No, it's not. I'm pumped.
But they woke me up super early. Around what time?
Like 7:30.
I was still trying to sleep. I wake up early, but on my own terms. And it's the weekend, so you don't want to wake up early. But we're here. Why are you guys locking the doors?
Because it's for you. We're not for you.
No more locked doors. We just got out of church. Why am I by myself in the car? Where's the kids? Somebody took them from me. Well, somebody did take them from me, but not like, you know, robbed them. I dropped off the kids, well, two of the twins, which people know them as twins. They're not twins. The two younger ones, I dropped them off to their visit. They're visiting their dad. The oldest one, he wanted to hang out with one of his friends, so he ditched me. He didn't want to hang out with me. I was like, we'll play video games together. Really? Joe, I'd rather hang out with my friends. And I felt old, you know? When someone says, really? I'd rather hang out with my friends? I'm like, oh! So, I'm off for 2 hours. I have free time, so what I'm gonna go do is I'm probably gonna get some Thai tea, which I attempted to get yesterday, if you guys remember. I'm not gonna vlog it, because what if my car gets declined this time? So, we'll see, man. Thai place. Thank you, bro.
You're welcome.
Alright, awesome. See that? Whoa. Get a big straw. Bam. 2 hours gone like that. And it's not like I wasted it. I really spent the whole entire time editing this video. At least the first half of this video. And look. Gone. Now to go pick up the kids. Dang. It's dark in here, man. It's dark in here, man. It's so dark in there. Let's go pick up the kids. I got the energy now. You guys like that turtle distraction. Guess who's in the car? Who did I pick up? Who's that? You gotta say your name, bro.
Caddy!
What was that?
Mikey!
They want to go where Nathan's at. He's hanging out with his friend. But I don't know if they can, so we'll find out right now. But I'm not gonna vlog and drive because it's very dangerous and I got kids' lives in my hands. Ooh, does that make sense? In my hands, kids' hands, in my hands, in my... You want some of this?
Yeah?
Y'all want some of this?
Yes. A different kind though. Can I please have some Joe?
Y'all can't have gum.
Yeah?
You'll choke on it, man.
No?
Alright, I gotta put the volume camera down because we're driving. But they ain't getting gum.
I want gum! Joey won't show!
I know you won't. I'm just kidding. I got you. Wait up. Alright, Nathan, you ready?
No!
What's up, Mikey? Close the door. We are all funny. What the heck happened there? Look. Now I'm back to this. This is crazy right here. This is what I've been going through. All right, come on, manos. All right, they're gonna decide who's the winner. Oh man, this is yelling. But the car's on go, so I have to stop vlogging. But I'm the winner though, just to let y'all know.
No, I
I am. Needs a lot of batteries. 6 plus 2. What's that? 6 plus 2?
7.
It's 8. It's 8. 6, 7, 8.
Move.
Yeah, I think it's 8. Okay, so we're gonna put 6 batteries in there. If we have enough, oh, we do. We about to have some fun. Oh, we have 2 of them as well, so 8 plus 8 is, you do the math. Whoa! Ah! It's a good one. I know, we gotta put it back. All right, we'll do yours next.
Then go outside.
His control controls this one and this one. See that? He's not even pushing anything. He has to go really, really far for his controller won't control his car. Keep going, bro. It's probably still controlling it. Mikey, you want me to push you? All right, I got you.
Look at him go. Woo! Stop!
No matter how far we've gone, these remote controls are still controlling each other. Nice. I did not plan this.